Hi guys, let's continue our place value flip chart. I am thinking of a number. Let's see, it is the number 104. So I have 104. I don't have any tens. I have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the number 104. So let's look. Here is 100, counting on 101, 102, 103, 104. So this is how we write our number in standard form using the digits. 104. Let's try another one. I'm thinking of a number and it is 114. How can I represent 114 by drawing a picture? First, I need 100. I'm going to draw this to represent my 100. 110, the rod for my 110, and I need 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 114 is represented by 100, 110, and 4 ones. So we can count 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114. Let's see if we can try another number. Clear the board. I'm thinking of a number and it is, let's see, 92. In this number, there are no hundreds, so I do not put anything in the hundreds place. I look at my tens place, I have 9 tens. That's a lot. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. And now I need 2 ones. 1 and 2. So that is 92. Let's count. We're going to count by tens for our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92. Awesome. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, so this one says represent the number with hundreds, tens, and ones. Then fill in the blanks to write the number in expanded form. My number is going to be 112. 112. See, so I'll need 100, 110, and 2 ones. This is 100, 110, 2 ones. That makes it 100, 110, 111, and 112. So how do we write this in expanded form? Expanded form is that we write the number based on the value of each digit. So in the hundreds place, we have 100. I write 100. In the tens place, we have 10. And in the ones place, we have 2. So 100 plus 10 plus 2 equals 112. Let's try another one. My number is 116. So I will need 100, 110, and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This gives me 116. So let's write that in expanded form. I have 100 plus 10 plus 6 to give me 116. Let's take a look at another way we can write the number in expanded form. We're going to use the same number that I just used previously, which is 116. I said that I had 100 plus 10 plus 6 to give me 116. Another way we can write that is we start with 116 equals to 100 plus 10 plus 6. The only difference is that the top one we have our sum at the end. The bottom one we started with our sum. Let's work on this together. My number is 116. So I write that in standard form using the digits for 116. I am going to draw my number. I will need 100. I will need 110. And I will need 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your work does not have to be perfect as long as I can understand it. Now let's look at our number in expanded form. This has a value of 100. This has a value of 10. And this has a value of 6. 100 plus 10 plus 6 equals 116. Now I'm going to write my number using the word form. So I will write 100 16. Alright, and there I have it. I can represent my number in 4 different ways. Your assignment is to do the same thing, but to represent the number 117 in 4 different ways.